God, incarnated as man, acts like a man. God, incarnating himself as man, behave exactly like a man. That is why it is difficult to recognize an incarnation. When God becomes man, he is exactly like man. He has the same hunger, thirst, disease, grief, and sometimes even fear. Rama was stricken with grief for Sita. Krishna carried on his head the shoes and wooden stool of his father Nanda. In the theater, when an actor comes on the stage in the role of a holy man, he behaves like one, and not like the actor who is taking the part of the king. He plays his own role. Once an impersonator dressed himself as a world-renouncing monk, pleased with the correctness of his disguise. Some rich people offered him a rupee. He did not accept the money but went away shaking his head. Afterwards he removed his disguise and appeared in his usual dress. Then he said to the rich people, "Please give me the rupee." They replied, "Why? You went away refusing our present. Why do you ask for it now?" The man said, "But then I was in the role of a holy man. I could not accept money." Likewise, when God becomes man he behaves exactly like a man. At Vrindavan one sees many places associated with Krishna's life. Surendra, we were there during the holidays. Visitors were continually pestered for money. The priests and others asked for it continually. We told them that we were going to leave for Calcutta the next day. But we fled from Vrindavan that very night. Master, what is that? Shame. You said you would leave the place the next day and ran away that very day. What a shame. Surendra, embarrassed. Here and there we saw the Babajis in the woods practicing spiritual discipline in solitude. Master, did you give them anything? Surendra, no, sir. Master, that was not proper of you. One should give something to monks and devotees. Those who have the means should help such persons when they meet them.